Hi everyone, Elizabeth, and today I'm just doing a short little plant unboxing. I just got some stuff in the mail. I'm super excited about it. So let's get into it. This first one is one I've been wanting for a few weeks, and I just didn't find one for a good price. Just kind of waiting it out until I found the right one. And then this girl that I talked to from a Facebook group, her and I were both like pining over this plant, and she sent me a message and said that she found one at a Home Depot near her, and she bought one from me and shipped it over. Oh, she did such a good job. She's not like a plant shipper. She just sent this one to me. So here it is. That's it. Are you excited? So look, she filled the whole box with like polyfill and stuffing. She did a really good job. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And she put a little stake in here. So this is a Ficus altissima rubber tree. There's a new node, little new node. Look how pretty though. Oh, the irrigation on this leaf is really good. This is the newest leaf. When you can see a little tiny one. Let's get this out of here. You can see a little tiny one. Oh, and that variegation is so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, she found this at a Home Depot somewhere in Southern California. I don't know which one. For, I think she said $13. Like, that's a really good price. Because I've been looking for one, and like one this size was like $25 plus shipping at like some sites I saw online. So that is really cool. I'm gonna leave it like this for a little bit until I get time to plant it up. Second box. So this is a Cebu blue. Like, look at how, oh, I'm gonna get soil everywhere because of this. Let's see here. Okay, look at this Cebu blue. Like, it looks so nice. It's huge, honestly. Oh, these roots are great. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, let's see here. Look at all these roots. I'm gonna get soil all over my house, but like, these look really nice and healthy, so I'm really happy about this. So let's pot this one up, and maybe we'll pot that one up too really quick. Okay, so I got a little pot. B, apparently. Okay, so here's what we got now. That looks great. That's a nice looking plant. I think we'll just pot the other one up too, since like, you know, I already got everything else out. Alright, let's open up this beautiful rubber tree. Oh, I'm like so enamored with this plant. I am obsessed with it. It's got like a little bit of damage. Like a hole here. There's another little leaf down here that has like some chunks taken out of it. So I'm going to probably keep this away from everything. I don't see any pests right now, but like I'm gonna spray this with some soap, insecticidal soap, and kind of keep it away from everything else for the time being. Oh, she's so pretty though. Ah, that fits like a dream. Fits like a dream. Awesome. Get that out of here. Oh, perfect. Just backfill that real quick. This will do good in here. I might have to repot it again in the spring, but I'm not going to. But I'm not going to bump it up the size for a little bit of time. And this soil was pretty damp too. So I'm gonna give it a few days, both of them actually, to acclimate, and then I'm gonna water them. Just don't want to do too much, and it's always better to underwater as opposed to overwatering. So that is what we're gonna do. And there she is in her fresh little pot. Find her little cover pot. Oh, yeah, now that she's like opening up and like laying down, she looks so good. She looks so good. Hi everyone. So today I have plant mail, and I'm so excited. It looks really good. I'm so excited to have this. Okay. Here's what I'm seeing. Do you know what it is? Comment below if you know what it is before I take it out of the box. I'm a robot lady. Oh my gosh. Oh no. It got bent. It got bent in transit. It's not broken. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow. I'm so interested to see these roots. Oh my gosh. So here is my Anthurium clarinervion, I believe is how you say this. It's a very small one, very immature. That's the first leaf. And this is the second one. Oh my god. Look at, there's the little tip burn. That's okay. And then here's where it's broken. And I think I'm just gonna like stake it up a little bit and give it a little, because it's not fully broken. It's not fully broken. I think it just needs a little support. Okay, let's take this wrapping off. I just want to see how these roots look. I know I just don't want to perpetuate that thing anymore until I can figure out a way to stick it out or something. I need to let that sit out. Okay. So excited about this plant. Oh my god. I don't have any Anthuriums. Got none. This is my first one. I'm really excited about it because I've really wanted one for a while, but like I said, I can't justify spending so much money on a plant that I don't really know how to care for. So that's why I got an immature rehab. Yike. Oh, it's nice and damp still, so that's good. Oh, we got root nubs. We got nubs. Okay. I'm not mad about this. This is pretty good, I think. There we go. Yeah, I got some nubbin action. A little nubbin over here. Okay, I'm not mad at this at all. I'm really pleased with this. It's a little, oh, that's just some moss. Okay. No, this looks pretty good, other than needing to be staked now. So, so here, I'll show you again where it's like broken. Can you really see that? Yeah, you can see it's still very much so connected, but it is very tender. So I think I have one more clip that's gonna come after this. In fact, I know I do. I have one more plant coming. Fingers crossed tomorrow. All right, everyone, so I have one more plant unboxing to do for this video. And yeah, let's just dive into it. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Yay. So I got, oh, these are so dry. Hoya macrophylla cuttings. That's really, really nice size one. This other one is huge though. Oh, oh no, oh no. What is on this? So there's this one, very kind of sad looking. And then, yike, a lot of spots and such. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. The other one looks much better. Very thirsty, but looks a lot better. And then this one has 2 nodes on it. Also has a spot. I'm gonna have to look into that. Hopefully those are just sunspots and like stress spots and not a pest. I don't really know what pest that would be. This one, and then this is the last one of those. Leaves are huge. They look pretty cool. This is a, actually I think I said the name wrong. It's a Hoya macrophylla variegata. They're really pretty. Really, really pretty. This one doesn't have a huge amount of variegation on it, but it's really pretty. And then I also got Kentiana cuttings. Here's this one. Pretty big. This is a pretty big cutting. That's cool. This one leaf is a little sad, but looks good. These look a lot better than those. They don't have any of those spots. And here's the second one. 2 nodes on this cutting. Hard one to show. Lots of leaves though. Like really, this looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. So that's cool. I'm gonna get these propped up here. Ooh, oh, this one's really nice. This one has 3 nodes. Oh, this one looks really good. I'm excited for this one. That one looks really, really good. All right. So that is my plants for the week that I got. And I'll do some updates on these cuttings. Today is I think it's the 18th. Today's the 18th. So these are going to get in sphagnum moss with, the box prop method. I'll keep you updated. Maybe in like 2 weeks we'll do like a update video on what happened with these cuttings and how they did. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you want to see more plant themed videos, and we'll see you soon. All right. Bye guys.